Good morning, dear students. I hope you all had done the assignment of chapter number 3 that is given by me. Okay, so today we will be starting with our chapter number 4, that is your multiplication. See, before doing this chapter, you should be revising all the tables up to 15. Okay, all the tables up to 15 should be learned by you. Okay. So first of all, I will be discussing about the basic concepts of what is multiplicand, what is multiplier, and what is the product. See, the number that we are going to multiply, that is called your multiplicand, and the number by which we multiply, that is called your multiplier. Okay, again I am repeating, the number that is going to be multiplied is called your multiplicand, and the number by which we multiply, that is called your multiplier, and the answer in your multiplication is called your product. So here in this question, 3202 is your multiplicand and the 3 is your multiplier, and whatever answer I am getting after your multiplication, that is called your product. So we had learned about 3 things: multiplicand, multiplier, and the product. Multiplicand means the number that we are going to multiply, multiplier means the number by which we multiply, and the product is our answer in the multiplication. Okay, so here in this case we should be knowing about the table of the 3. That's why I am saying this thing to you, that you have to revise all the tables till 15. Okay, we had done all the tables till 15 in our third class, and so you have to revise all the tables again for your fourth class for the chapter multiplication also. So if the table of 3 is not known to you, you have to learn it, only then you will be able to solve the question. Okay, so this is your 3 here, so it means I am going to multiply 3202, that is multiplicand, with the multiplier 3. So start with the ones place. 3 2s are 6. Okay, then I have to multiply the multiplier 3 with the tens place of the multiplicand, that is 3 0 the 0, then 3 2s are 6, and the 3 3s are 9. I have to start, you have to start with your ones place and go to the places ahead of it. Okay, so my answer after your multiplication is 9606. The complete chapter is based on this multiplication only. You should be far efficient in doing the multiplication. You should be learning about your tables. You should know how to add the things, only then you will be able to do this chapter easily. Okay, so let's start with the exercise 4.1. In the exercise 4.1, the question number 1, straightforward, you have to just multiply the numbers. Okay, so again here the multiplicand here is 3835, and we are going to multiply it with 7. So see here, I should be knowing about the table of 7. If the table of 7 is not known to me, I will not be able to do it. So be careful. Okay, be attentive. You have to learn all the tables. Okay, so start with the ones place. 7 5s are, yes, 35. 5 will be here, and carry I have to write above the second number, that is at the tens place number. Okay, then 7 3s are 21, and I have to add this carry, that is 3 to it. 21 plus 3 is what? 24. 4 will be here, and then 2 here. Then again 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 2 is your 58, and then 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 5 is 26. So ultimately my answer is coming as 26,845. This much you had done in your class 3 also, so I hope this will be easy for you if you are knowing the tables. Okay, so now C part of it, B part will be in homework. 5 2s are, yes, 5 2s are is your 10. Okay, then one carry will go here. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 is your 31. 1 will be here, and carry will be here. 5 9s are 45, 46, 47, and the 48. 8 will be here, and 4 will go here. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. So finally my answer will be 44,810. See, all the things are very easy. The little bit difficulty will be there in learning the tables. If you will be revising the tables regularly, there will be no problem in this chapter. Okay, you should be knowing about the tables only. Rest of the things to you already know how to multiply the things, because you had already done this in your class 3 also. Okay, so now your question number 2, same here. In the question number 2, you have to find out the product. Okay, here in the, see, it is same just like your question number 1. Okay, so 7642 will be multiplied here with 9. Okay, so here again you should be knowing about the table of 9 only, then you are going to multiply. Okay, so 9 2s are here 18. Okay, 9 2s are here is 18. Then 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 1 will be 37. 7 will come here and the carry will go here. And then 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 3 will be 57. 7 will come here and the carry will go here. So 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 5 will be 68. So finally my answer will come here 68,778. Again in the C part, what you have to do here, again you have to multiply 4,759 with your 4. So see here what you have to do, you have to again multiply the number with the 4. So you should be knowing about the table of 4 here. The same procedure will be applied here. 4 9s are 36. Okay, 6 will be here and 3 will go here. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 3 will come and 2 will go as a carry. Then 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2 is what? 30. 0 will go here and 3 will be written above the number, that is 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 is again your 19. So 19,036 will be your answers. Okay, so multiplication you already know because you had done this in your multiplication with a single digit, you had already done in your class 3 also. Okay, so rest of the parts that I had not discussed with you, that will be in your homework. Okay, so now properties of the multiplication, that is covered under your exercise 4.2. See, our first property is, if you multiply a number with 1, you will be getting your answer same. See, if I multiply 1 with any of the number, I will be getting the same number. It means if I multiply 1 with 2, my answer will be 2. If I multiply 1 with 5, my answer will be 5. If I multiply 1 with 1 lakh, my answer will be 1 lakh. If I multiply 1 with 5,000, my answer will be 5,000. It means if I multiply with any of the number, my answer will be same. Okay, so here I had multiplied 7,659 with 1. So my answer is here 7,659. Okay, next property is, if I multiply any number with 0, my answer will be 0 only. My answer will be 0 only. Okay, if I multiply 3,489 with 0, my answer is 0. So same, if I multiply 1 lakh with 0, my answer will be 0. If I multiply 5,000 with 0, my answer will be 0. It means any of the number it will be. If I multiply it with 0, ultimately my answer will come as 0. Okay. Now the third property is, the order of the multiplicand and multiplier can be changed. See, in case of our multiplication, we can change the order of the multiplicand and the multiplier. It means if I write 3 multiplied by 8, it is what? It is 24. And if I write 8 multiplied by 3, that is again 24. It means the order doesn't matter. The answer is same. The order doesn't matter. The answer is same. Okay. If I multiply 13 and 8, 13 8s is what? Yes, 104. And same here, if I multiply 8 and 13, again the answer will remain same, that is 1 by 104. Okay, so it means order of the digits is not going to affect my result. My answer will remain same. Okay, so you have to revise the properties and you have to learn the tables also. Okay, so you have to complete your classwork and the homework. Homework will be the leftover parts of your exercise 4.1 that is not discussed in the video. You have to do them as your homework and write the tables of 11 and 12 in your maths fair notebook. Okay, thank you.